Hi, Haley. All right, we just drove 5 hours to Chicago. We were at the Hyatt Regency.
I guess I don't know who I need. I'm supposed to have a rollaway bed, and there's no rollaway bed in my room. Do you know how long it'll be?
Anyway.
Oh, that's fine. I just didn't want it to be like an hour. We just drove 5 hours, but 15 it sounds awesome if that's true.
Anyway. It is a very small room. Very small.
So anyway, bed's on its way.
Oh my god. They got toiletries. So this is the Hyatt Regency. We are here for the Comic-Con. Is it just called Comic-Con?
Hey, it's Ace Comic-Con.
Ace Comic-Con.
Remind us before we walk tomorrow to go to the front desk to get that ticket validated.
Okay, okay. Anyway.
Ginny.
I just gotta go to the bathroom real quick.
Then I'm gonna go pee.
Anyway, 4 of us, so small. This is all they had left.
That's the same time. There's no microwave. I lied.
Saturday morning in Chicago.
Look at underneath the elevator.
That's pretty cool. We're on level 6. Just
I can't feel my toes.
This hotel is like
Well, I wanted to wear my
10%
Crocs.
off. I did not sleep at all last night because there's like 4 people in the room next to us, extremely loud.
Why you talk so quiet?
Because I do talk quiet.
I can't feel my feet right now. Mom,
What's wrong with your feet?
I can't feel my feet.
Dude, I told you needed shoes that you're walking around.
Yeah, and Haley hid them from me.
You said those were fine.
You stole my shoes again. I didn't know they were.
This is fun.
They're just in my room.
Good
Why
times.
can't I wear my Crocs?
I'm done talking to you.
Good morning, everyone.
I told she knew we were walking all day. Like, I don't live in a mansion. She could have found the shoes.
I know.
Yes, we did live in a mansion.
Alright, we're at this Comic-Con, or whatever you call it. Look, they got pinball machines. That's cool. Photo ops. Professional. Oh my god, it costs money to do the photo ops. You should have realized that. Everything costs money.
Are you ready?
They're very professional.
Alright, put him back.
Thank you. Starfleet. That's pretty cool.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to the gaming zone. Come on.
We came here just so Abby could play Fortnite apparently. Oh my goodness.
You want a picture with him? Sure. Here, free what?
Alright, we came back to the room because we got a bunch of stuff. So I'm going to show you what we got so far. So this is our goodie bag. We had to buy a VIP package to get the goodie bag. And it just included this Funko Pop.
Everyone got different Funko Pops.
Everyone got different Funko Pops. And then this is just a bunch of free stuff that I got. The bag came with socks. They had a Terminator table. That's where I got this poster and sunglasses. This was part of the goodie bag. I don't know, some plastic stand, some hand sanitizer, a luggage tag.
Does non-VIP people get these too?
What is this? What's this red thing? A towel?
I think
No,
it's
A blanket. And then that was it.
The
And
people
these are
that don't
just-
get VIP get these too.
No, they don't get anything.
Haha,
And just, I
priceless.
picked up some bookmarks from various people. So, we're here for Haley because she wants to meet Tom Holland. She is obsessed with Spider-Man and she bought tons of artwork. We'll have to say the artists here are very impressive. So, and then she got the artist to sign this print, and then a separate artist to sign this print. She actually got 2 prints from this artist. So, pretty cool.
I'm smart.
And then
I
Abby,
don't know if I'm so smart. I don't know where my bag is.
your back, you just put
It's on the phone.
I have to take the popcorn out of it. Okay.
Anyway, here's the, Holly got a Jon Snow.
This is what I was talking about. Stolen Girl.
Stolen Girl, is that the book you're reading? This is what Abby brought to, for the Comic-Con. Popcorn, 4 bags of popcorn, and Nutella.
The Nutella was your idea.
Are you
Wait,
seriously?
I'm not done.
That's all she has in her backpack. Oh, and spoons for the Nutella. That's very important. And a book, because she reads. So,
And AirPods.
what's in Abby's bag? 4 popcorns, Nutella, and a book.
And AirPods.
That's it.
And I had my charger.
Hilarious. Alright, so yeah, we're just taking a break because we bought way too much stuff already. And then we're gonna head back and walk. We only made it through like the artist section.
Yeah, and my arm was getting tired because I'm a weak little girl.
You are a weak little girl.
Yeah. Should we start right there at the...
Alright, so there's a lot of dressed up people. This is like the toy section. It's way bigger than Artist Alley. That's Abby.
I caught a shiny Pokemon before my mom.
There's a Pokemon event going on at the same time. What to do? What to do?
We're going over there.
Alright.
It says Avengers.
They have Gabachonsn machines. What did you just drop? Your phone? So Sailor Moon is already empty. Are they all empty?
Mom, I want this one.
Sailor Moon looks empty. I don't know. Haley, or Abby, does that one have any left in it?
Yep. I think they're squishy.
Here, buy me a token. I'll give you $5. I want one of the squishies.
Go ask him for 4 tokens.
Are you watching for Haley? Did you really just sneeze on me? Okay. Is there ones left in that? That one has left. That one has some. Oh, Sailor Moon does have a couple. Yeah. It's got like, yeah, Sailor Moon has like 5 or 6 left. Where's Abby at?
Which one are you doing?
Me?
We're getting 5 tokens. Everyone gets to do one.
She only asked for 4.
We're getting 4 tokens. There's 4 of us.
Okay,
You do
hold
mine.
her. Let
I
me
want this
see.
one. Show the camera what they look like.
Alright.
Wait, you're doing the wrong one.
Oh,
Are
this
you?
one. She wants this one, right, Mom?
That's mine.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
You want the one?
Okay, Haley, pull it out.
Sailor Moon?
Pull it out.
You can't even see what this
So
stuff
this is
is.
Sailor Moon.
Which one do you want, Jenny?
I want your squishy one down there.
So, Haley,
Sumika,
Haley, what do you want? That one. Okay, so we're all 3 getting this one?
So we all 3 are getting the squishies.
I call second one.
If someone gets a penguin, I'll go. Give it to Jenny.
Oh my god, that one is so cute. Oh, it's a capsule of squishies inside.
Oh, that's a capsule.
Yep, it's in it.
Oh yeah, I see what you're saying. All right, you got a white one,
This is gray. Jenny, don't be silly.
and then show it.
All right, someone needs to open it up.
Someone. It's really cold, Mom. That was a silly choice. Can we go look over at that thing? Because they have patches, and I want a patch for my bag.
This literally is the best thing.
That is
Wait,
black
film
cherry.
it.
Wild
Because we're
Bill's
here
Old
for me.
Fashioned Soda,
Okay.
black cherry.
I'm too close to you. Okay, Abby first.
really. Put it in the bag.
I really want a mini Funko Pop. Do you think they'll have some at the actual Funko?
It's not even a squishy.
It's not?
No.
It's just a hard toy?
Yeah.
Well, that's it.
It's still super cute. It's so cute. Yeah.
It is very still. It is still very cute.
So you drop it.
Okay, put it in your mom's trash bag.
You're gonna get something green.
Okay, I want to see what your mom's. Open your mom's Sailor Moon so we can see
Hey,
what.
can I open yours for you?
No, no, because you just broke yours.
No, I didn't.
Alright, there's that piece of paper is yours too.
Pick that up.
Did
No, I didn't.
Check, that's because something stinks doesn't mean I farted.
Yeah, it does, Mama.
Oh my god, I'm recording, people. I'm recording.
I have stanky farts.
You are so stinky.
Oh my god, oh my god. Quick, hold it, hold it, hold it.
Oh, yeah.
That's my third.
So Abby is opening the Sailor Moon to see if it's worth getting more because there's only a couple left in that machine. Doing the high-tech teeth method.
Huh? Hey, don't break your teeth.
I can't even get this off. I'm on the second layer.
These are itty bitty ones.
You can't see that.
Stop. I got this.
You squeeze on the one side.
Look, Mom, I finally got it all off.
Let me see it.
I got it.
You don't. You pop it.
You got the same exact thing as that.
I know.
Give it. Stop.
I got it, Mom.
Obviously you don't.
I put it in the trash bag.
Obviously, I don't. Wand.
So it's a little bitty wand.
Is it plastic or metal?
It's plastic.
Oh.
But it is cute.
What is she doing? No,
That's
to your left.
opposite paw.
To your freaking left.
Oh my, is that legal? How is that legal? Oh my god, that should not be legal.
There's a Ghostbuster over there. Okay, give me mine. Did you drop it? All right. Wait. Here, I need it. Here, I need
Out of
it.
past $5 up the
All right, are we gonna get any more of these capsules?
wanna
Is
get
that
one of
is that a squishy?
I don't think so. No, it's not.